up, guys? So I'm finally back with another video. Sorry about that little break that I had, that little 1 month break. But to start off the video, I wanted to say thank you for 1K. I am going to be doing a Q&A, probably the next video or the video after. I'm gonna try to crank out a couple videos in a row. But if you guys want to be a part of the Q&A, I'm also gonna shout out your Instagram. Join my Discord. It'll be the first link in the description. Make sure you do that. There's a lot of people on there. I'm not selling you guys anything or whatever. Just hop on the Discord so you guys can be in a group chat and connect with other detailers. But today I'm gonna be talking about what to do when you lose motivation. I don't want to get into everything now. I want to save it throughout the entire video, but I have some good information for you guys, and I kind of am going through this right now where I was super motivated last year, and now this year I'm kind of and I want to kind of not only explain to you guys my journey or what I'm doing to keep myself motivated and keep myself excited about detailing, because at the end of the day, it's cleaning cars for multiple hours and it's not very exciting after a while. When you do it for a long time and do it over and over and over again, it's not exciting, and I don't know, what are you gonna do? But that's pretty much what I want to cover in this video. I'm gonna go over a couple topics. I'm gonna tell you guys what I've been up to, give you guys a couple updates. I don't have any real script or anything for this video. I'm just kind of keeping it loose. Kind of more of a vlog type style, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Today I'm doing a full detail. I think it's on an SUV. I just totally forget. I've already done her husband's vehicle. He had a Subaru WRX, which is super nice, and he keeps his vehicle in very good condition. So I'm hoping she does the same. If not, totally cool, but it's probably going to be in decent condition, and it shouldn't take me too long, but I'm not gonna rush it just to get out of there. So yeah, but I'm just gonna film a video during this one, and I'll let you guys know when I get started. I actually lied. It's not an SUV. It's Subaru Impreza. It's like a crossover. No, it's a wagon. It's a wagon. Anyways, besides the point, another thing besides the point, I want to bring this up before I make the entire video. I'm not going to be using that little mic anymore, because I would literally record 10-20 minute sections and then it would just be completely mute. It was like a $20 cheap mic, and I wanted to use it because I thought it'd be better quality, but it's kind of not. So now I'm just using my straight iPhone mic, and I hope it's a little bit better. It seems to be a little bit better, honestly. The other one had noise cancellation that you didn't have the option to shut off either, so it was just irritating, but I'll probably pick up a mic or something soon. Also, I'm using my iPhone, because I'm trying to show you guys that you can do this yourself. I brought it up in another video already. You don't need one of these. I don't think I've brought up my camera in videos, but this is a Nikon D5600 with a 10 to 20 millimeter Sigma lens. I'm not super crazy into cameras. I used to be, but now I just have what I have, and I'm I'll use it. It does a pretty good job. I actually noticed there's a hair inside the camera that I can't get out, so if you guys didn't notice, please don't look for it, because once you see it, you're never gonna unsee it. But I see it, I know it, and it's really annoying, but I'm not gonna buy another camera for that reason. I'm gonna start with kind of tip number one for you guys to get your motivation back. I mean, even if you guys still have the motivation, you're watching this video, it's a good idea to watch this video. Even if you guys are full ready for the season, let's go, hyped up for the whole season, that's awesome, but it's still a good idea to watch this video. So I'm gonna say tip number one is take your breaks. And I don't mean hour breaks. I don't mean 30-minute breaks, 20-minute breaks, quick lunch breaks. I mean literally a week. Take a week off. That doesn't mean go on vacation. I mean, it can mean go on vacation, but just take a week off. If this is your full-time job and you're detailing, I almost guarantee you can afford taking a week off, because we make decent money. I do this on the side, and sometimes I'll just take weekends off. I haven't been detailing as often as I was last year, I'll be totally honest, because I'm losing a little bit of motivation to clean all these vehicles, because it gets to a point where it's exciting to start your own business, but after a little bit, and it just gets super repetitive, and I'm not the type of person that's going to force myself to do something I don't want to do, and you guys shouldn't do it either. If you are waking up in the morning and you are miserable, stop doing it. Change something about that, because it's not cool to live your life by waking up, starting your day, and being miserable about doing something. So detailing does a huge toll on your body, and if you're going in and you're depressed and you're cleaning somebody's car, not only are you not going to do as good of a job as you could if you were fully invested into it, but it's going to make your life miserable. You're not gonna have fun. The point is to have fun and do this. And it's kind of a reason why I make these videos. I genuinely enjoy making these videos, helping you guys out, talking with you guys, meeting new people. I enjoy it. And it brings me happiness. It brings me fun. I don't do these videos for the money, which I hope you guys can see. I do it because I genuinely like it. And this video isn't about my personal motivation or my personal goals. It's kind of just showing you guys that I'm the same as you. I'm not sitting here working 7 days a week, 6 days a week, editing videos every night, detailing every day, recording it. I'm not doing that because it's not fun. Honestly, it's not fun. But I want to do pretty much what I want to do, to the extent of, am I getting enough money? And it's not like you can't work. You gotta work. And some days you're just gonna have those bad days. And it doesn't mean that it's bad and it's not good for you. It just means you gotta get it done. And some things just need to be done. I hate waking up early in the morning. And sometimes I get the people that book early and I gotta wake up in the morning. It just is what it is. It's just me. Maybe you guys are different. So for the people that are watching this video in detail, 6 days a week, solid 6 days a week, maybe 1 to 2 cars a day, and you are losing motivation, stop detailing for a week, even 2 weeks. Just stay at home, honestly, be bored, maybe try to pick up a new hobby or something. Even though it's just a week, you're not going to be able to do that much, but it's going to help, because it's the same thing as working the entire day, 10-hour day in the sun, no breaks. You're going to be miserable by the end of the day, but I bet maybe it'll stretch into an 11-hour day, but if you take more breaks, it's going to be more enjoyable. So keep that in mind. All right, so right now, the point that I'm at on this thing is I've gotten the floor done, and that's about it. I vacuumed and I blew out the floor. Normally what I'll do is I'll hit the floor, then I'll hit the seats, and then I'll get all the trim and everything, and then I'll go back and do the floor again. Unless they got the premium package, then I'll go on and put the trim coating on it, but they didn't, and I gotta hit the outside, so I take a little break from the inside, move to the outside, and then come back to the inside, if that makes sense. So I'll do the floor, I'll do the seats, I'll do normally the doors, and then I'll do the inside trim, and then close everything up, do the whole outside, my whole process on the outside, which is probably similar to a lot of you guys, and then I'll hit the door jambs, I'll get the floors and floor mats done, or the glass, and then that's going to be it. So that's kind of my process. Instead of sitting and being in the interior the whole time and then moving to just the outside and being done, I kind of split it between the two, because honestly, it just makes it more fun. All right, so I'm currently hitting the wheels right now. As you can see, I'm on my last one, and then I'm gonna be doing the paint. Of course, guys, look at the sky. There's not a cloud in the sky, which is good, but it's not good because this is a black car. Black paint, sun, no clouds, it's gonna be a pain. So also, while making this video, I had some they're over there. Landscaper guys show up, so it's gonna take me a little bit longer to make this video. Hope you guys understand. All right, so now we're going on day 2. I'm not sure where I left off yesterday. I finished that car up and then just kind of started editing the video and stuff. So I actually didn't finish recording this one, and I just maybe wanted to throw in one last tip, tell you guys what I'm doing today, and kind of end it off here, because I have to fly today because it's gonna start raining at 12 and I'm getting there at 9, and I need to get the interior of this truck done, so I have to go there and fly. So I'm not gonna be recording. I was going to, and then I'm like, no, I literally can't stop. This is one of those times where you just have to grind and put in that work for 3 solid hours, no breaks, nothing, which I don't really support, but it just needs to happen because I've been pushing the cars off. I got sick, I had other plans, I got busy, whatever, and these cars have been pushed off. And now, of course, I was gonna do two trucks today, 2 trucks tomorrow. That was the plan, nice and easy, 2 simple days. And then it just decides to rain, so now I have to do 1 today, 3 tomorrow. So now today I have to fly through it. Yeah, I'm gonna get done early, but it's just annoying. I hope you guys can relate to that, but it's just irritating. But I'm gonna say for the last tip, if you guys are losing motivation, is start meeting people that detail and that can teach you things. They're gonna motivate you to get going because maybe they're more motivated than you, and they're gonna push their motivation to you, and you're gonna take something from that, and you're gonna see their happiness from it, and they're gonna push you to want to continue doing what you're doing right now. I'm not trying to sell anything by the end of this video, but that's exactly what my Discord's for. Like I've said in previous videos, I'm I'm not selling anything in the Discord by any means. I literally just talk to everybody in there as a group, because people will DM me these same questions over and over and over again, like, how do I do this on my website, blah, blah, blah. And it's just a lot easier to ask the Discord group that I'm in, that I will answer. And a bunch of people can give you their responses, and we can all tune in on it. So I think there's a little bit over 100 people in it now. So if you guys want to hop in on that, like I said, I'm not selling anything. I'm not going to have you watch a live stream and then sell you a $3,000 ceramic coating course. I'm not like that. But other than that, I got nothing else to say. And here's the edit of that car.